Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use key details to identify the main idea. This will be a beginner's guide to reading with understanding. What is the main idea? The main idea is the most important point or message the author wants you to understand. It's the central thought that holds the whole paragraph or story together. Think of the main idea as a big umbrella. It covers all the details underneath it. Every sentence in the paragraph connects back to this one central point. What are key details? Key details are the facts, examples, and explanations that support or explain the main idea. They are the building blocks that give the main idea meaning and proof. Facts: specific, true information about the topic. Examples: real situations that illustrate the idea. Explanations: reasons that help prove the main point. Why are key details important? Details are like clues in a mystery. They point you directly to the main idea. Without them, the main idea would be unclear or hard to believe. Main idea: dogs make great pets. Detail 1: they are loyal companions to their owners. Detail 2: they protect the home and family. Detail 3: they love to play and bring joy. Find the topic first. This is step one. Before finding the main idea, ask yourself, what is this paragraph or story mostly about? The topic is the general subject, but it is not the same as the main idea. Here's an example. A paragraph about pizza has the topic pizza, but the main idea is more specific. Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world. Topic equals subject. Main idea equals the point being made. Look for the topic sentence. The topic sentence usually states the main idea directly. It acts as a signpost for the reader, telling you what the whole paragraph is about. Finding the topic sentence puts you very close to identifying the main idea. First sentence, most commonplace, introduces the main idea right away. Last sentence sometimes wraps up and restates the main point at the end. Identify key details. Read carefully and underline facts, examples, or reasons you find. Then ask, how does each detail support the main idea? Detail 1: many restaurants serve pizza. Detail 2: pizza comes in many flavors. Detail 3: people eat pizza at parties. Each detail points back to the same message. Pizza is popular. That's how you know you've found the main idea. Summarize the main idea. Now put it all together. Use the topic and key details to write the main idea in your own words. Your summary should be one complete sentence that captures the big point. Identify topic, find the central subject, gather details, collect key supporting facts, write the main idea, compose one clear sentence. Example summary: pizza is a popular food because many people enjoy it in restaurants, at home, and at celebrations in many different ways. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to spot the main idea quickly. Start small and build your confidence step by step. Start familiar. Choose topics you already know well to build confidence. Use simple paragraphs. Find the topic, key details, and main idea in short texts. Read short articles. Ask, what is the main idea? What details support it? Remember, main idea plus key details equals understanding. Main idea is the heart of the text, the single most important message the author wants to share. Key details are the supporting pieces that prove, explain, and illustrate the main point. And the results together, they give you true comprehension, the ability to understand any text deeply. Mastering this skill will sharpen your reading, boost your confidence, and help you learn and retain information better every day. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.